What is going on, guys? Eddie of Fliptroniks. I'm going to be going over how you can make money using your iPhone in 2021 using these 5 apps. Now, each one of these has helped me make some serious money, so I'm going to start things off here with the first one, which is going to be Robinhood. Now, as I'm going over these, if you want to check any of them out, I'll throw some bonus and resource links in both the description and comments. But the one thing I want to point out about Robinhood is that it is a stock trading app. You can see I have around 90,000 in my account currently. But the important thing to remember here is that I started with a few $100s and I've built my account up to what it is today. So stock trading is definitely a way that you can grow your wealth on autopilot. You could also trade stocks part-time to make money. But I would recommend saving up a little bit before you get into that. But the cool thing about Robinhood is that you could start with as little as $5. Wanted to pull up Pinterest real quick because it was one of my best performing stocks over the last year. You can also trade crypto on Robinhood. So definitely a win-win right there. And I just think that there's just so many advantages to, getting started with an app like Robinhood. So definitely check that one out. And then we've got Coinbase. Now, I talk about Coinbase a lot on the channel. I've been using this app too for like 6 or 7 years. And, I started with, I think, like $1,000 on here. You can see I'm up to whatever it is, 60. But if you want to get into crypto trading, I think Coinbase is great for beginners. But even if you're a little bit experienced with trading crypto or just crypto in general, I still think it's a good app. You've got over 40 plus coins you could buy, sell, and trade. You could set up recurring deposits, which is nice too for individual coins. And to be honest with you, the app has gotten a lot better over the last couple of years. So definitely check out Coinbase for sure. Okay, the next one we have coming up here is going to be the Ignition app. Now, this is a little bit of entertainment. They do have some different things you can do on here, like play slots. They have free and real money games. And I do actually check these out quite a bit, honestly. So I'm just going to load up a quick game here, just show you some of the practice play. But like I said, you do some real money on here. Also, they have, some good old poker as well that I like to play. But let's just check out this game, Reels and Wheels, because it's pretty sweet. Now, they have, I think, 130 plus games you could play on here. This one's cool. It's a little bit newer. It's kind of got that 90s vibe to it a little bit, with the way it kind of plays. It's called Reels and Wheels XL. There's also Reels and Wheels, but you can see on the left side of the screen what you need to do in order to win, but you got to get the diamonds lined up. Anyways, the game's really fun, and there's just a bunch of them that you could play. Let's get that bonus. We didn't get it. But there's just a bunch of them you can play, like I said, just for fun. So we'll get a couple spins in here, see if we can get any kind of win. Maybe hit the bonus game. All right, well, not a whole lot going here, but still. All right, so we're gonna get out of there. Okay, so another app I would recommend checking out is a crypto trading app. It's gonna be Binance US. Now, this one is awesome for trading crypto. I'd probably say it's my favorite overall. So even though I did recommend Coinbase already, Binance US is really nice. They've got, I think, over 50 plus cryptos you can buy, sell, and trade on here. I'm pretty sure they don't have any minimums either, so you can get started with really small amounts. But, I've got 2,400 in my account. I've had different amounts at different times. I mainly own Ethereum on here, but I own kind of a bunch of different coins. But the fees for trading on here are really low. It's 0.1 to 0.5% for buying and selling. And of course, you can pull up graphs for these different cryptos, based on really short time frames, like the 1 minute, the 5 minute, etc. It's got a really nice layout too. So, Binance US, awesome for trading crypto. You can do that obviously part-time. And then Webull. Now, I just started using Webull not too long ago. It's similar to Robinhood because it's zero commission trading. I do like it though for looking at graphs and things like that. They also have crypto on here. I do own some Ethereum. I'm just going to pull up Bitcoin Cash and just have it up for a second here. And yeah, guys, these 5 apps, I use each one of them, so that's why I'm recommending them to you. Even if you only checked out a couple of them, I just think it's worth it, because the truth is they will help you grow your money over time, especially since they're kind of investing, trading apps. We got one entertainment up there with the Ignition, and it is what it is, guys. If you have any questions about using any of these, feel free to message me below in the comments. Like I said, I'll have some bonus sign up and resource links if you want to check those out. Thanks for watching it, and we'll see you in the next one.